Wanna know how to download and sign up for Hago app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. You can also get into your App Store or Play Store and tap on the search for apps and games option. Insert here Hago and search for this particular app. Now, tap on this install option on the top right. Wait for it to get installed and download it. When the Hago app has been downloaded and installed, onto the very first section of the Hago app, you have an option of signing up with Facebook, with your Google account, or with your phone number. I'm going to create an account with my phone number, so I'm going to tap on this phone icon. You can do of your own choice and insert the particular phone number that I want to insert. And then tap on this get code option below next to verification code. Now wait for the verification code. So I do have a verification code, so I'm going to insert it. You can do the same. When you're done, tap on this login option below. And if you're all set and you agree to authorize synchronization of your users' data to other products and services of their company, you can tap on OK to link this account there. Now tap on this nickname option and then insert your own name that you want to keep. Tap on birthday, choose your birth year, your birth month, and then your birth date. When you're done, tap on this confirm option next to cancel. Choose your particular gender. I'm going to tap on female. You can do of your own. Now tap on this camera icon above. And then you can either choose from library or take the photo at the moment. So I'm going to choose from library and allow access to photos medias for this particular app. And search one from the gallery. Tap on this particular picture, arrange it, and tap on the choose option on the bottom right. Just by doing it, I'm all set for creating an account and editing my profile. So I'm going to tap on this done option below. Just by doing it, you can see that my personal information is being saved. And yes, I do have a new account for Hago. Now tap on this me option on the bottom right to get it all confirmed. Alex Agil, that's my name, and that's my nickname with my profile picture as well. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. For more videos related to Hago app, you can go and check in our channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.